This review is of Nature's Nectar orange juice. It's pasteurized, never from concentrate, 100% juice. It is also kosher, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. Is there anything else remarkable about it? Unfortunately not. 110 calories per 8 ounces, no fat or cholesterol or sodium, 26 grams of carbs, of which less than 1 is dietary fiber. That sucks. 25 grams of sugar that are not added, and 2 grams of protein. And it only contains orange juice and orange juice pulp. The orange juice is from the US and from Brazil. Interesting. Okay. At least it's pure, right? And not from concentrate. But still, almost no fiber, which means that this stuff is going to go into your guts, and within, say, 15 minutes, the sugar is going to be flowing through your veins. Almost all of it. So this is what I would guess would be considered a high glycemic index and high glycemic load beverage. Now, you can combat that by either adding fiber to this or consuming fiber before you consume anything like this. Smells like somewhat tart orange juice. I can feel the fiber or the pulp hitting my mouth, my tongue. It is definitely on the tart side. Not like unpleasantly so. So this is high pulp. I always buy high pulp because I want that fiber. I do not believe in drinking pure juices because it's not the way they were intended to be consumed, I believe. And you don't get any of the fiber if you strain out all the solids and just go for the liquids. You're just getting a high glycemic index or high sugar content beverage. So this has got a nice balance between sweet and tart. It's almost too tart for me. I tend to be one of those people who like the sweeter orange juices, but this is pretty good. I'll give it an 8. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.